We are talking about today's public speaking classes. As you can say that everybody is here. Ronak, unmute your mic. Just say hi. Speak loud, beta.
Hello.
Hello. Vanshika, do you want to say something to audience?
Hello everyone. So you like the Richa ma'am video, so you like it and also subscribe.
Thank you so much. Thank you, my sweet angel. Swati Moria, do you want to say something?
Hello, good evening everyone. I hope you are completely fine.
Thank you so much. Of course. Krishna Tiwari, do you want to say something to the people on the YouTube, beta?
Hello everyone, good evening.
Okay. Saloni.
Hi everyone. Sport to the ma'am and she's so sportive.
Thank you so much. Wish you very happy evening to all of you, and thank you so much having me here. I would love to tell you one thing that Ronak, Vanshika, Swati Maurya, Rekha Tiwari, Saloni Sangwan. So first of all, welcome in this class as well as welcome in my heart as well. I would love to tell you one thing. See, it is not easy to speak with the different language, but it is very easy to speak. Either you're speaking wrong or right, doesn't matter. It is very important when you are thinking to start your journey, and in a beginning of time you think that I am unable to speak like as greatest. How is it possible? Is it not possible? It is very hard to start with great speaking, but of course it you also can make easy this process if you will try to put your efforts. By your efforts, definitely you will have to go with consistency, and for that things I would love to share with you one thing which is very important, and that is in my heart, in my inside, that is in my mind. Maybe that things make me very depressed, that things trying to humiliate me. But I would love to tell you one thing. If you are thinking to start anything, this is just a learning of English spoken. That is why you all are connecting through this platform. But I would love to tell you one thing. When you are not thinking only to start learning, even you are thinking to set your business, or maybe you want to be a doctor, or you want to be any kind of professional, for that things, okay, it is okay, you can learn each inch skills. But for that things, if you are trying to set up your business, so definitely tell me one thing. Is it really easy to set your business on the first day? You also can become rich, or you also can grab very great business, you also can get very good or rich clients on the first day. Yes and no? Tell me, anyone else? Yes and no? Just speak loud, please. Speak loud,
Ma'am,
please.
no you do.
One by one.
Okay.
Please continue.
Okay, first day you just start your business, but no, you don't have so much clients in your business.
Exactly. That is my answer. Thank you so much. Thank you. Similarly, I would love to share you with one thing which I just started through myself. I just start one business. You could say that is business. That is not business. That is academy. I just opened my academy 3rd of May, and right now you can see the June is going on. I just started 3rd May 2024 English spoken classes in my academy, and I just booked that place on the rent, and even I just give very good offer there. But the month is completed and I am unable to get my infect rent. So in this situation, what will I do? Could you please tell me in this? Could you please tell me how can I go with that? I have to quit my work, or I have to continue my work. If I will continue my work, then how can I get? How can I invest the rent which I just booked the place for the academy? Please, if you have any clue, any things, or you want to have the positivity in it, then definitely please just try to share your thoughts through the comment box. But I would love to tell you, if I talk about my opinion, my patience, then definitely I would say that I just got only 2 students till now. And you cannot notice, it doesn't mean that I'm showing drama to be happy, I'm showing drama to be calm and positive. No, not at all. Still, I'm very positive. Still, I am very okay with that. I am putting here my efforts. I just prefer to go there at 9 o'clock in the morning daily. I just prefer to come there around 7 o'clock or after 7 o'clock sometime. So I'm just giving my time with my karma from morning 8:30 to 8 o'clock. It means 11 hour 30 minutes. I prefer to keep myself, so that if somebody's come for the inquiry regarding for English spoken classes, so that I also can tell the process. And it is happen, even I also even I also distribute the pamphlet at the gate number 4 Lakshmi Nagar. You cannot believe, but definitely I would love to share that video. I also shared the pamphlets by my own, and people actually watching to me, are yaar, that lady is distributing the pamphlets. And give me 1 second, please. So, yeah, so I was telling you about when I just stand in the stairs at the metro station's gate number 4 Lakshmi Nagar. You can see, you can ask, there are many pamphlet men, and they just noticing to me that a woman actually is distributing the pamphlet. Why I'm distributing? It is not actually embarrassing on me. If I am doing to grow my business, if I am thinking to do something for that things, if I will think, okay, I have to take seat at the place of the boss seat, I have to go with that, I am a owner, then I don't need to do anything. I don't need to distribute the pamphlet, I don't need to the clean on the floor. I am doing by myself each and everything. I am distributing the pamphlet as a pamphlet women. The second job I am doing to clean the floor, to clean the academy, everything I am doing by myself. The third, I am also playing a role there as a social, as a, sorry, not social counselor, I am also playing a role there as a counselor, as a receptionist ma'am. The fourth, I also do it by myself, teaching role. I just started to teach there by myself. It means there is no even single employee. I didn't hire yet any single employee. What is the meaning of it? I didn't hire. Then how can I go with that? How can I start? How can I think about it to grow my channel, to grow my academy? See, if I will hire the staff, definitely on the first day, can you imagine? I will be eligible to give the salary to them, and I don't want to keep salary. I didn't learn the fraud things. I didn't learn cheating things. My parent always taught me a very good lesson, that is moral lessons. That is honesty, that is loyalty, that is hard work. They teach me a good lesson. Then whatever you are doing, if you want to success in your life, then you will have to do it only and only karma. You have to put it your hard working. If you will add the hard working of life in your career life, definitely one day you can be proudly that you are the successful with smartness. So if you want to be a smarter person, for that things, don't never ever try to hide anything. Never ever try to shy that, oh, this job is not for me, why will I do that, I am honor. No. So never ever try to think about the people. People are not here to earn the money. People are not here to courage you. People are not here to supporting you. They always trying to come when you will get the successful. We know very well that one day you will be successful, but when you just start your life from the zero in your career life, definitely they will start to taunting you. They will start to trying to tracking you, that why you just try to open the academy in the official area. Can you think about it, it would be successful or not? Definitely in a beginning of time nobody will support you. Just think about it. I have support, I have a support by my husband, I have a support by my family. There is nobody supported to me. I am only one, which I just started myself. And definitely the second month it just started, and owner actually calling to me today that I want my rent, and I said okay, definitely I will go with that. Just think about it, nobody has patience. But if you want to do something great, you only and only you know, only and only you know that you want, then definitely you will have to have the patience in your life. Second things, you will have to do it, your karma. It means three things you will have to always follow: the patience, second, your karma, you will have to apply the karma with consistency, third, don't try to lose the belief which you just keep belief in you. Like me, I always trying to believe in me, definitely I would be successful. But for that things, not only having positive vibration is not enough, but definitely with the having of positive vibration, I have to apply my efforts. If I will not go there at the time, morning to evening, can you imagine who gonna actually attend the students? Nobody. So for that things, it is not only to say that if you are doing, if you are thinking to open anything, it is enough. You will have to keep your efforts, then you will be successful. Otherwise, nothing or nobody cannot make you a successful personality. Thank you so much. Have a great day and love you so much. And please don't forget to tell me that I'm thinking right or wrong. Definitely, I am unable to get even 1 month rent. But the second month, I will go with that or I will not go with that. But I already told my opinion, then definitely I will continue these things. But for that things, I need your support. I need your positive vibrations. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.